How to transfer money from UBS bank account to another bank. UBS is a global investment bank and financial services company headquartered in Zurich, specializing in wealth management, asset management, and investment banking. First, download UBS Bank application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then click on Sign In. Enter username and password and click on Sign In. On homepage, click on Pay and Transfer button. Once you click there, you're going to see these 6 options here at the top. However, in order to transfer money, click on this button here called Transfer. Then click on Account Transfer. Input amount, how much you want to transfer. Select your transferring from account. Select Transfer to Account. If all that looks good to you, go ahead and click on this blue transfer button. That's it. Thanks for watching.